between overtailing and undertailing. Okay, बहुत ही कुछ up तगड़ा editing करके camera and talk rubbish. Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Vlogmas 2024. So in today's video, I will be sharing with you all how I write my own contents and मैं कैसे अपने ideas को in terms of content represent करती हूँ, also with some tricks and tips to how to film your videos as well. So if you guys are interested to know how I do that, please carry on watching the video. Before that, if you are coming here for the first time and if you are seeing me for the first time, then hi, I am Prakriti. I make videos related to fashion, beauty, lifestyle here on this channel. So take a moment to subscribe to my channel to see more such videos. And without any further delay, now let's quickly jump into the video. Okay, so I will discuss 5 basic points as we always do here on this channel. So ताकि मैं आपको simply in the easiest way I can explain you how this works. So writing a content is not a big deal, okay, but what is that staying in front of the camera and making you comfortable is what matters the most. So once you are comfortable in front of the camera and once you have identified your niche, finding your niche of filming videos, finding your niche of what content you should make is very important. In case you don't know how to find your niche, let me focus on that first. So niche is something, the areas which you want to target via your videos. Whereas for a beauty creator, it will be related to makeup, skin care, hair care, and lifestyle ho jata hai, the hauls, vlogs, and anything you do for that matter that you want to show your audience. In case you are not really understanding that what your niche is supposed to be, what you can do is that start filming your videos on the topics you have knowledge about and on the topics you have interest in. So film that video and then put it on the channel. So this method is for the ones who cannot really identify their niche. Okay, so start putting videos. ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए कि मतलब ऐसा नहीं भी होगा तो चलेगा कि बहुत ही अच्छा कंटेंट या फिर बहुत ही कुछ आप तगड़ा एडिटिंग करके पोस्ट कर रहे हो, ऐसा नहीं. Just try to film the knowledge you have regarding some knowledge, basic knowledge of the content you want to put it, and with the views and everything engagement, you will understand that what your audience is liking. Okay, after all, what they want to see is matter the most. Okay, so and if you feel like नहीं मुझे तो इसमें ही करना है, so the first day, the first video won't be that great, but I'm sure the 50th video will be definitely great one. And in case if it's not a great one, think of other options. So anyways, I'm not demotivating you, but it is a fact to be told. Try to experiment on different areas of your interest. अगर तुम्हारा interest ही ना रहा, ऐसे ही तुम videos बना के दे दोगे तो no one will watch it. If you are not passionate and if you are not interested in yourself, who will then watch and what you will then deliver? So finding niche is very important. And if you cannot find your niche, I told you how you can do that. Your audience will really help you. YouTube got this YouTube Studio where you can see various analytics of different videos, how they have performed. So तुम उसमें देख के बता सकते हो, okay, your audience is liking to see you in the beauty form of content. So accordingly, for example, I'm giving. So this is how you can pick your niche. Okay, so once you know your niche, you know on which ideas and which areas you have to make videos about, it becomes very easier for you to write the content. Now writing the content, it's not a great deal. Nowadays we have the AI which supports you. Even there are so many softwares also that will help you to generate your script. Now personally talking about me, I do not do anything as part of the script, और मैं ऐसे हर videos के पहले script नहीं मतलब लेके बैठती हूँ. I write 5 points. I told you guys how I do. I write some of the points, even if not 5 points, like for a few points to just to make me remember कि मैं ये बोलूँ, and this is the mandatory things that I need to say it to my audience. Okay, so first come is the idea. You generate certain ideas by looking around you, what are the trends are going on, and looking at the other big creators. तुम उन्हें ही देख के सीखते हो कि क्या ट्रेंड में है, what every people is following. Okay, and you film it according your own way. हर लोग का way of explaining things, हर लोग का way of executing will be very much different. तुम YouTube से YouTube के लिए videos का बहुत सारे options, कैसे कैसे चीज़ों पे फिल्म करना चाहिए, कैसे कैसे content अभी बन रहा है and which are trending, you can see very much visible. Now after gathering those ideas, just align with your knowledge and your budgets and your wishing to fulfill that video, wishing to make that video should be personally your choice, and how much aspects you want to put in it and in what way you want to execute, it's completely your choice. So once you have selected niche, once you have gathered all the knowledge regarding that तुम्हें कैसे type contents बनाना है, so you get the idea. So once you got the idea, you make a rough title of it. Okay, suppose for today's video, for example, I wanted to make a video where I tell you how to write content. So I will give you, so here's the first tip. First you can go in any AI software for that matter. You have got a rough idea that I want to tell my audience regarding how I film my videos or how I write my content. So what I will do, I have this 5 points. Now once I wrote down these 5 points, I will put everything in the AI software that these are the 5 points I want to include, and please guide me and give me a script. I want a 5 minutes video, I want a 10 minutes video, and everything, and you get a form of a script. Now you do not really have to memorize that script and just deliver it at a one go, and it's ऐसे नहीं होता है. Be it very authentic, so whatever you understand, that whatever it is coming, so तुम वैसे भी बोल सकते हो. And writing a content is fine, तुम कितने भी paragraphs लिख लोगे, लेकिन तुम सब कुछ एक टाइम में डिलीवर नहीं कर पाओगे until and unless you are very much aware of the fact that what you are going to tell to your audience. Okay, by this what I mean is that you have to be very much authentic and you have to know by heart कि तुम क्या क्या चीजें बताना चाहते हो, and also you are aware कि लोगों को there is a very thin line between overtelling and undertelling. Okay, you have to be very crisp. तुम अपना जो भी कंटेंट रखना चाहते हो, that should be very much apt. So it is something out of your experience as well as do not completely use AI for everything. Just AI for giving you a proper very organized way of portraying your message and at the same time your experience. Okay, the more time you invest on this platform, the more time you invest on editing, the more time you invest on searching, googling it and researching, is where the content writing capability increases. Okay, so this is something not a one-day task. You have to gather experience, you have to gather knowledge, only then you can do it. Simply copy pasting it won't go. Your audience are not that dumb and your audience will catch you and you are very much answerable to them. So copy pasting doesn't work in this area because it's very much visible. People have access to everyone and you cannot go far by doing that. Okay, so these are the small things. So if I sit to write a content, first I gather some idea from this platform itself, even according to my budget, according to my future plans and what I am aiming, I get this idea. Now idea to making it content, I take the help of AI sometimes, and sometimes I make it very authentic and go for my 5 points लिख लेती हूँ इस idea के बारे में, and I start speaking it in front of the camera. Now the third point is being comfortable on the camera itself takes a lot. Okay, that is not something that I gathered like overnight. Okay, so being comfortable here, talking non-stop is an art, and also जो कि editors देख लेते हैं अगर मैं इतना भी non-stop बोलूँ तो in any way. So comfortable होना camera के सामने is very very important. If you see my very first video, I wasn't that comfortable as well as I wasn't even इवन स्पीकिंग मेरे को मुझे डर लग रहा था कि मैं कैसे बोलूँ. आई वॉज वेरी नम एंड वेरी vulnerable, I would say rather. So मैं नहीं बोल रही थी. But as soon as you gather confidence, start speaking in front of the camera. तुम ऐसे नहीं कि तुम इसको फिल्म करने के लिए, वीडियो पोस्ट करने के लिए सिर्फ you are making a video. Just sit in front of the camera and talk rubbish. Okay? If ऐसे ही तुम सीखोगे. Trust me, there's a lot of confidence that you need to gather, and it's a lot of your thoughts that you need to speak, and the way you speak is very very important. मतलब मैं बोल तो रही हूँ कि rubbish बोलो, but ना,
अरे कहना क्या चाहते हो?
मतलब have to make sense when you are putting this online. So obviously, and just try to converse. Even I off camera also मैं खुद के साथ converse करती रहती हूँ in terms कि मैं देखना चाहती हूँ कि I can deliver, I can speak nice and well without fumbling, without having hesitation in my voice. So that is a practice. It's not a overnight that comes really naturally when you have gathered a lot of experience over the period of time. Also, you can gather this speaking skill by hearing a lot of movies, I would say. And okay, so from my personal experience, I learned a lot of vocabulary by watching this famous TV serial, The Friends, of course, and that made me to really help me to how to converse in for that matter. So even if you are listening to so many English serials or American for that matter, you can really gather a lot of vocabulary. तुम अपना vocabulary capacity बढ़ाओ तो it will help you a lot. Okay, so in case by now still you are finding like अगर मैं 5 points बोल भी लूँ तो then also I cannot say properly every sentences like fluently or in a form of deliver nicely, then I will tell you this one tip, and this is a 4 point to be reminded. It's a trick. I don't know how much it will help you, but yeah. So this is the software I'm talking about. It's called vidIQ, where you can take a lot of help. I hope many of you know by now. So what vidIQ does is that it's a software wherein you can generate your script. You have to just write the ideas, input your ideas on which you want to make videos. So that will help you to generate your title, your hashtags, your bio, the description, everything they will do. Along with, they will help you how to make a thumbnail. So it's a cheat code, but anyways हर cheat code से तुम पास नहीं हो सकते. Only if you are very much dedicated. अगर तुम्हारे पास पता है अगर स्क्रिप्ट भी मिल जाए, if you can't deliver, there is no point. Okay, whatever way, in whichever way you are doing it, if it's working for you well, fine. If this software can be used in a variety of ways, if you know how to use it, you can get a lot of help. And yeah, this is a very much popular one. You can definitely consider in if you were lagging in how to write contents and any idea related stuff. This platform also helps to give you that what are the trending ideas we have currently going on in the YouTube situation. So everything you get it here. Okay, so I'm telling you as in a fourth point में मतलब this video के शुरुआत में बोल सकती थी use this and write the content. That is not the way. मैं चाहे तो बोल सकती थी, but authentic रहने के लिए, even if if you just learn how to script this software give you, you can do it to some extent, because everyone is using this software and everyone's scripted will be same day. You understand, you have to input your thoughts and your vision as well while making the videos. Cheat code is fine, but working hard at the same time is very, very a mandatory thing. Mind it doing that. So that's this a fourth thing. It's a cheat code and a tips that you really, really can consider. And the fifth thing I will tell you is that, see, ideas are everywhere. Okay, everything. If you have this mindset that ideas is everywhere, obviously ethically, not unethically. I'm talking about the ethically. Ideas is everywhere. Having said that, if you know how to create that ideas in content is the key. So just what you do is, I will, in this fifth point, I will explain you how I film my videos. To answer that, first I think the ideas, I write it in a 5 points, 6 points, 7 points, whatever the points I need to mention in my videos. Then I make the title. Okay, title of a video plays a very important role. So I searched my idea, whichever I got, I search it in the search section in the YouTube, and there I see these are the videos people have already created. So I get a rough idea of how the title it should look like. So I first create the title. Okay, then what I do is that I make the thumbnail. Okay, thumbnail में बना लेती हूँ. So I get a rough idea कि getting the title and thumbnail, then I start filming my videos. That is the easiest way I like to do. And yeah, also sometimes I forget to take the thumbnail, so it's better to get it done at the first go itself. And in case if I find like the thumbnail is not aligning with the videos thing, then I do it at the end. But thumbnail is very important. It's just like the trailer of the video. It plays a very important role. So make sure that your thumbnail game is apt. Okay, so yeah, this is how I basically film. I hope I could make you understand in the simplest way possible, and also the way I prefer. Okay, so yeah, that's pretty much of the video. If you have any queries related to this, or if you have any specific suggestion for me to show in this Vlogmas series, please comment down below. I would love to film videos on your suggestion. And that's it for this video. I hope you like it. If you did, don't forget to give it a huge fat thumbs up, and I will see you guys super soon in my next video. Till then, I love you all so very much. Bye.